Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we have a very special 6-pack of solar LED lights. These things are absolutely amazing, and we're going to check them out right about now. Now, first off, they are easy mount and easy install. They do come with adhesive strips that you can put on the back and pretty much put them to any wall. Also, all it takes, it's no wiring. You could just use a nail or a screw and put them in stucco or wood, even concrete with the right type of screws. These things can pretty much mount anywhere. No wires necessary either. You just put them up, press the on button, and you're ready to go. As soon as it's night, you can go through any of the 3 different power modes, and these things will really work for you. Now, I forgot to mention they are motion detection. So this little spot right here is where it'll notice if there's movement and come on. Now you do have several different settings here, basically 3 settings, and you just click this button to go through them. Now, first off, it has to be dark, so I'm simulating dark by putting my hand on top of it. You can see that this mode noticed the movement from my hands and everything and kicked the lights on full. And it'll go away if it is sunny out. Detects the sun. So, motion, sun, etc., these are great for at night. The 3 modes, you'll have one where it's just a low battery, like a low power, just dim light, which is great for path lighting and things of the sort. Then there's one that will be kind of low power and then kick on to super high brightness whenever there's motion, and one that'll be completely off and it'll be super bright when there's motion. I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with. I think I'm going to go with the dim lighting, and since there's 6 of them, this is going to be perfect for path lighting. Imagine all 6 of these lined up along a path, maybe on the trees or on the side of a house, on your sidewalk or anywhere, and these things will radiate beauty to your house. Now, also, I forgot to mention as well, safety. When it comes right down to it, safety is number 1. Someone could trip and fall, you're liable. Someone could break into your house. Robberies happen X times, 10 times more common if you do not have a well-illuminated area. People are gonna break into your house if it's dark. If a light comes on, they're out of there. If they see light, they don't wanna be seen, so they're out of there. Illuminate your sidewalks, illuminate your doorways, illuminate your house. A much safer environment.